Let's talk event arches. The right silhouette can completely transform a space, and choosing the right one depends on your client's style, venue, and overall vision. Here's a breakdown to help you decide. Circle arches are romantic and airy. They're ideal for outdoor ceremonies, garden events, or anyone looking to add a little bit of a soft statement to their setup. They also photograph beautifully from every angle. Square arches feel a bit more sleek and modern. If your client is going for a minimalist or contemporary look, this style offers those clean lines that pair well with asymmetric florals or some simple draping. Chiara or panel arches, especially when used in pairs or layered, create both height and a bit of drama. These are perfect for statement backdrops at the altar, welcome displays, or photo ops. They offer visual structure while giving you room to play with texture, fabric, and color. The heart-shaped arch, this one's both playful and a little bold, perfect for bridal showers, proposals, or romantic installations. Use it when your client wants something Instagram-worthy and full of personality. So how do you choose? Consider the venue's backdrop, the level of formality, and the decor budget. For softness and romance, go with the circle. Want something editorial and bold? The panel arches will deliver. For clean, modern designs, square is a strong choice. And if you're styling for a shower or proposal, don't overlook the heart arch for that viral moment. Want more styling tips and product comparisons? Subscribe and explore our full range of arches at Tablecloths Factory.